Hello everyone, today we'll make a cool do-it-yourself project from a broken umbrella. Using pliers, cut off the spokes. All the parts that are attached to the tube need to be removed. Then we remove the nail and take out the spring that is inside the telescopic tube. We also remove the handle. We will only need the strap from it. Next we take a dowel with a self-tapping screw, which has a ring at the end. We mix a little 2-component glue. And we glue this dowel into the tube. We will also need a wooden handle for the files. We mark the center on it and then drill a hole about halfway through with a 1/8 inch drill bit and then widen it to 4/10 of an inch. On the opposite side of the handle, we make a through hole with a 1/5 of an inch drill bit. Next we attach the handle to the tube. We make a mark and drill a hole in the handle together with the tube. We do the same, first with a small drill bit, and then we enlarge the hole with a bigger one. Now we remove the handle and take it for painting. We also need 2 small pieces of wooden slats which need to be attached to each other as shown in the video. To be continued. Again, we take a dowel, remove the screw and cut a ring off of it. Apply glue to the ring and glue it into the pre-made holes in the wooden piece. Glue on another strip so that you get a small edge. In the upper part, drill a hole with a 1/10 of an inch drill bit. Then take a 3mm bolt, put a spring and a special clip on it, apply a little glue, and screw it into the hole you made. To be continued after painting. I painted the handle with glossy paint. We take the strap and using a wire, thread it through the hole. We apply glue to the tube and put the handle on. Now we need a piece of wire with a headphone jack, which needs to be threaded inside the tube. We pull it out through the hole in the handle, take a non-latching button and two resistors, 39 ohm and 220 ohm, and connect everything according to the diagram you see on the screen. We place everything inside the handle and secure the button with glue. Well, now we screw on the previously made mount. Well, that's it. The do-it-yourself project is finished. As you can see, we've made a selfie stick. Everything unfolds perfectly. The phone is secured reliably. Now let's check how it works. As you can see, everything is fine.